Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we're going to do a stock Euro. It is a Wink haus, or haus. I can never pronounce it properly. There it is, and there's the bit in. Got some nice highs and lows. Really nice keyway, quite open. Lock works super smooth. I hope everybody's doing well today. It is what we're on Thursday. Let's see if we can get this picked. We'll use a homemade tension wrench and a short hook. Any noise in the background, you can hear my dog watching YouTube, Mr. Bean. Keep us busy while I get this done, or else I'm never going to get a video done. Ooh, we got a fault set already. That was on 2. Sorry, my big knuckles in the way. Getting counter rotation. Oh wow, we're open. Well, that was a quick one. Weren't expecting that. Oh, let me just unzoom. Let's get pinning tray down. Camera down so we'll see what we're doing. We can lock this back up because we have a key. Alright, let's see. Are we going to be an easy one or an awkward one? Awkward. I'm just pause. Got it off. That one was so bad I twisted it right round. Let's get our key. I always remember if you got keys, you got locks with really big gaps like this at the back in the cover. When you're going to gut it, to make sure only turn it just enough that the pins are not going to fall down it. Because they can do. Well, drivers anyway. So there we go. We got 5 pins. And as you can see, they all needed picking. Basically, it was a 4-pin lock really, because that one is almost at the shear line. Let's just get these dumped out, and then we'll have a look at them. You know, they're pudding pie. What are you doing? Daughter's turned up to her nosy. I know, you'll have to wait, chicken. Yeah, I'm nearly done. Oh, now I'm losing pins. Right, pins are in. Obviously nothing in the core, but it'd be a complete stock lock. Let's see what's going on here then. So we have a spool in 1. Spool in 2, a standard in 3, spool in 4, and spool in 5. Well, you'd think with all them spools it'd be a tricky lock, but sometimes a lock that talks to you really well is easy to open. If it's got lots of feedback, it's going to be an easy open. Where some locks just don't give you nothing and it can take forever to get into. Oh, quick look at the pins. And there we go. So in 1, spool, 2 spool, stock in 3, spool in 4, and a spool in 5. All standard springs and standard drivers. Well, it was an interesting lock. I expected, like I say, a bit a little harder than that, but it wasn't. It was a strange one, but eventually, like I say, a lot of my stock locks I send out in parcels anyway now, so hopefully someone will get that and turn it into a very nice challenge lock or something like that. But thank you very much for watching. please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.